How to get unicorn and adopt me. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Hemi Jarvis. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how to get the unicorns and adopt me. So be sure to pay attention, watch this entire video. I'm making this video for my Roblox players out there, my Roblox subscribers. I want to thank y'all for being a subscriber. But I'm making this video for y'all, man. I know it's a lot of y'all trying to see what are you supposed to do in order to get the unicorn on Roblox. So just watch this video and I'm gonna tell you. All right, so the first thing you want to do, I just walked out of my house. As y'all can see, the game just started. Let me show y'all. All you do is go over to this exit door right here. Basically, it's the tunnel. I call it the tunnel. You run inside the tunnel. Hold on, let me show y'all, just for some of y'all if y'all confused. This is what the tunnel looks like. All right, it got the little red exit on it, and you just run into there. So a lot of people on Roblox already. I seen a lot of people on here that already got the unicorn. They've been riding it around. It was some person on here who had wings, so you could fly the pets as well on here. But I'm just about to basically show y'all what you gotta do to get it. All right. This is what you gotta do. I seen the girl. I know I seen somebody with a unicorn. Look, okay, I think she got a unicorn. Yeah, see that unicorn following her? That's a rare creature, y'all. That thing is it's a preteen right now, but yeah, she helping it grow. But anyway, when you get to the middle of the floor right here, you see everybody chilling inside the middle of the floor. All right, you're gonna look around. You're gonna find the nursery. So we're gonna go to the right. It's a red house over here. No, that ain't it. Wait a minute. Where is it? This red house right here. So it's a red house right here with the right behind the lemonade stand. Hold on, lunch. Oh yeah, right behind the lemonade stand. It's a red and blue house. Go inside of there. That's called the nursery. Once you get in here, you see it says go right for babies, go left for pets. We are going to go to the left. All right. And I'm gonna tell y'all what y'all need to do in order to get you a unicorn. So once you get in here, you got all of these different houses, right? All of these different places, they sell eggs. So you got one place, two place, three place, four place. It's four places in here where you can purchase eggs from. It's certain eggs that increase your chance of getting a unicorn. Now, the best egg to get unicorns is called the royal egg. Most people are buying the royal egg, right? And that's how they are increasing their chances of getting the unicorn. Now, let me just read this sign out for y'all so y'all can see what the sign says. I don't know if y'all can see that sign, but it says, let me go zoom in. It says 30%. Okay. Gumball machine current egg. So if you get something from the gumball machine, if you get an egg from the gumball machine and hatch it, you have a 3% chance of getting a legendary. You have a 15% chance of getting an ultra rare, a 27% chance of getting a rare, 25% chance of getting an uncommon, and 30% chance of getting a common pet. Okay. So now that you've seen that, let's read some of these other signs. So that's the gumball machine. Now they got the cheapest eggs right here. If you get an egg from here, it's cheap. If you go here, this is a little bit better. As you can see, it's a 3%. Hold on, 3% legendary. All right, 20% common, and ultra rare is 15%. So, all right, then you got this place over here. I don't know if y'all can see it. Right over there, that's like a cracked egg. This is where you go to get a cracked egg. Now the cracked eggs, you basically going to get a regular pet if you buy this egg, but it's a 1% chance of legendary. Just look at this. Look how low that is. 1% chance. So you know you might get a unicorn, but it's highly unlikely. What you want to do, guys, the egg that you want to get is the royal egg, and you only going to find that egg in here. All right, so you want to go in here to this egg right here, and if you read the sign, let me show you. Hold on, let me get my screen right. If you read that sign, it says 8% chance of legendary, 30% chance of an ultra rare, right? That's very high, and that's why everybody like buying this egg so much because you got a 30% chance of getting an ultra rare. So mainly, if you're trying to get you a unicorn as a pet, this is the egg that you want to be looking at, in my opinion. Now let's see how much this egg costs. By the way, this egg costs by Royal Egg. The Royal Egg costs 1,450 bucks. Okay, so now what you need V-Bucks, guys. If you're going to purchase this, you're going to have to get V-Bucks. So as you can see, you're going to have to purchase one of these things here, $5, and great value, best deal. So you could just purchase any one of these. Now if you're trying to get like free V-Bucks or anything like that, I'm gonna be doing giveaways here on my YouTube channel, where I'm gonna turn the card around. I'm gonna go live on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna turn the card around and I'm gonna scratch off some V-Bucks in you guys' face. That way, whoever's watching my video around the time that I'm doing the giveaway, you will have the chance to get you some free V-Bucks. Okay, so if you're interested in that, you don't have to subscribe to this channel, but I would highly recommend that you do subscribe. That way you won't miss out when I go live on my YouTube channel and I give away V-Bucks. All right, so there you have it, guys. Once you get this egg, let's say you got the money, you buy this egg. Once you buy that egg, you simply going to come out in the middle of the floor. You're going to go into your book bag right here. You're going to pull the egg out like that. Boom. You pull the egg out, and then let me see. Let's say this is the royal egg. I just bought the royal egg, right? You just click on it. Boom. And hatch now. All right, now to hatch the egg now, it's going to cost you some V-Bucks as well, I mean, you're going to have to get some Robux basically and buy it now. So again, guys, if y'all need Robux, if y'all don't want to buy none, what you can do is become a subscriber to this YouTube channel, and whenever I go live on my YouTube videos and I decide to give away Robux, you have the chance to get you some Robux. So you could do that if you want to. I highly recommend that you do it. You don't have to though. Okay, so that's just if you want to get you some Robux for free instead of having to go all the way to the store and stuff like that. I mean, spend your money. But anyway, you hatch it. I should have hatched this egg. But anyway, let me show y'all. I hatched these eggs already. As you can see, this is a rare creature right here. This is a bunny. I got a what's that, a ray, and then this is a cat. So I'm gonna bring out my bunny. But again, if you want to get a unicorn, guys, you gotta keep buying those eggs. And you could buy more than one egg. So let's say you want to increase your chance of getting a unicorn, buy this royal egg, and then when you hatch it, it's going to ask you, I think, what type of animal that you want. You just pick unicorn, and if it hatches and you don't get the unicorn, then you're just going to have to keep trying until you get the animal that you want. Now again, if you don't got that kind of money to buy the royal egg, you could buy some of these other eggs. They still has unicorns as well. It's just the chances are slim. Okay, like if you buy an egg from here, the chances is slim. When you buy an egg from here, your chances are higher to get in a rare creature. So let me see. And then when you get your animal, you can do any of these steps. Like if you hit the button E, it lets you pick what you want to do with your animal. Like let's say, so this animal here, if I want to ride it, I will click right here. If I want to feed it some food, I will go here. I will pick some food and I'll just feed it like that. And as you can see, it starts to eat. And you just take care of your animal and stuff like that. And then let's say, all right, let me go to E again. It say click pick up. I could pick them up like that, and walk around and all that stuff. But yeah, this is not the unicorn in my hand, but this is a rare bunny, so close enough. Let me see what this sign says. I got a puppy. Okay. Yeah. Okay, you can go through here, scroll up and down on this board right here. Let me turn around. I hate this thing. Why I keep freezing? All right, y'all, my computer froze, look like, so I'm gonna have to end this video. But that's how you get the unicorn. I showed y'all the hard part already. So just come to this nursery and do what I just showed y'all. Oh, there you go, it's working again. Yeah, just come here. Let me put this animal up. I don't need them. Pets, go to pets, go to egg. All right, but just come here and buy these eggs. I recommend buy this egg right here. This egg right here is the egg that gotta hatch. You gotta hatch to get the unicorn. All right. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up. Come back for more videos. I'm gonna be doing more Roblox videos because I got a lot of my subscribers who play Roblox. So come back and watch these videos. And also, guys, let's get this video to. I got a goal to get this video to at least 20,000 likes. I know we can do it. And again, if you want V-Bucks and stuff like that, I mean, I'm sorry, did I say V-Bucks? I do V-Buck giveaways as well. I do PSN giveaways and all that, Xbox. But for Robux, I do Robux giveaway here on my channel too. So I don't know. That's it for this video. I ain't gonna make it too long. I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. Go ahead and subscribe, and I will see y'all soon. Thanks for watching.